You got presents, so open them and let's see what you got. Let me see. What is it?
Shoes.
It's shoes? Open up. Oh my goodness! I love those shoes. They look like Birkenstocks.
Oh, Mommy.
You want to try them on?
Uh-huh.
Okay. Let me see. Ooh, wrong foot. This foot. Oh, these are great. I was just looking at these today in big people size. I know they fit when you stand up. Perfect. Okay, let's see what else. Surprise, surprise. Oh, these are so darn cute. I can't even stand it. Say thank you, Trenton. Thank you, Aunt Lisa. Can you say thank you? I'll get the tag off. I'll get the tag off in a minute. But look at the camera. Say thank you. Mirabelle. Look at me. She's going on to her next gift. Wait, there's more in here. Let's see what you got. Pull the bag off. What is that?
Yes.
It's a dress?
Huh?
Look, it's so pretty.
On.
Okay. We'll put it on in a second. We want to open up all your gifts. Hold on. Let's just hold it up to you right now, and we'll put it on after we open the rest of the gifts, okay? Okay. Look, more gifts. Open. Open the rest of the gifts. Look at me. Say thank you, Lisa.
Thank you, Lisa.
Thank you, Trenton.
Thank you.
Go get your other gifts. You've got more.
More.
Here, I'll hold this. Oh, not in that bag, in that bag. Okay, open it up. See what you got. What'd you get?
Shoes.
Shoes. More shoes. Yay! Oh, gotta kick those off and try on some new ones. Gentle. You love it? They match your dress. Oh, they are so cute. Perfect size. Perfect width, because she's got wide feet for a little girl. We'll come over here and I'll help you.
Mommy.
Okay.
Okay.
Left shoe on the left foot. Put it on gently. Careful. Got it? Put your foot in first. Put your foot in.
Mommy.
I'm right here.
Oh. Mommy.
Look how cute those are. I love it. Okay, look, there's more. Look, Trenton picked these out for you. Dress. We love it. Do you love it?
Mommy, I'm gonna Tashi.
You want to show Tashi? Be gentle. Tashi's next door.
Tashi?
Come here. She wants to show our neighbor because she's so happy. Come here. Tell me thank you again. Say thank you, Trenton. Thank you, Lisa.
Thank you, Lisa.
She's trying on the other shoe. We love you guys.